10 low-carb options after gastric sleeve surgery. After gastric sleeve surgery, it's crucial to choose foods that support healing while managing weight. Low-carb options help regulate blood sugar, reduce hunger, and promote long-term success. Here are 10 simple, low-carb foods to incorporate into your post-surgery diet. 1. Lean meats and poultry. Chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef provide essential protein without excess carbs. They're easy to digest and perfect for meals. 2. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein and healthy fats, making them a great choice. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, they offer variety and nutrition. 3. Fish and seafood. Salmon, tuna, and cod are low in carbs and high in omega-3 fatty acids, helping support heart health. 4. Non-starchy vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, and zucchini are low-carb and packed with nutrients like fiber and vitamins. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics. Choose unsweetened varieties for a nutritious snack. 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in protein and easy to digest, helping with muscle recovery and satiety. 7. Tofu and tempeh. These plant-based protein options are low in carbs and versatile for various dishes. 8. Avocados. Avocados are low-carb and high in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. 9. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them great snacks. 10. Shirataki noodles. Made from konjac, these noodles are low in carbs and calories, a great pastu alternative. These low-carb options can help you manage weight and maintain health after surgery. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.